Look at the food. Morning bread. Yeah. Look at this guy. Thank you. Ito yung now we're here in Mali. Wow, this is chicken. Wow. Welcome to Bali, Freddy. Nice. Wow. Thank you. Wow, look at this place. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Finally here in La Brisa. Sunday market. Ganda gagi. May pizza dito. 45 na lang. Here in Bali. Freddy. You want to try this one? How much is it?
Ito na kung fair enough na rin.
Fred, where are we going? Someone's enjoying Bali. And that's him. Turn around, girl.
Turn around.
We were here in Kigisusu. Isa to sa mga pinaka-famous na cafe dito or small coffee shop dito sa Bali. And yes, papapicture sa kay Fred. Look at those people. Here we go, Love Angkor. Nice, nice, nice. So, yan. Pupunta kami ngayon sa recommendation nung nakilala namin sa shop. Naghanap kami ng Balinese food. So, pupunta tayo doon. Warung Sika. Hi, Dago! So, ito na yung Warung Sika. Sika Homestay. Yan daw yung isa sa authentic Balinese food here in Bali. Let's go, Freddy! Oh. Tambay in Bali. Warung Sika. Look at the food. Medyo may mixture din siya ng pag-Australian. Pero mukhang masarap naman lahat at medyo pasok naman siya sa Filipino food taste. Let's try. So, ito yung medyo authentic. Not medyo, ito yung authentic food ng Bali. And yan, si Fred nagbi-video. Sobrang mura na ito guys, $95. 95,000. So 95 is like $9 lang sa Australia. Nasa ano lang to, 300 pesos. Ah, mahal pa rin pala. Pero it's okay. That's good. Nice.
Yes, sure. Gets in the way. Seems you cannot. And I'm the one who will stay. Oh, oh, oh. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as before. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. As it was.
Morning, Fred. So, good morning. Saan tayo punta?
Tayo sa Uluwatu today.
Baliw, Ubud.
Wood.
Bye, see you. So, ito pala yung ano namin, yung villa namin. Hindi ko alam kung napakita ko sa inyo pero mas malapit to sa airport. Sobrang ano lang talaga. Sobrang traffic lang dito sa Ubud kaya medyo matagal yung biyahe namin. Tapos, makikita mo naman talaga na sobrang ano sila sa culture nila. Tapos, ito pala guys, dito sila nag-offering. Ayun yung offering nila everyday. Actually, maganda yung religion nila dito. Hinduism sila, majority. Marami silang God. And lagi sila nag-offering everyday. Marami akong papakita sa inyo sa trip na to about God. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo mga offering sa harapan ng bahay nila. So, maraming ganyan guys. As in. Tapos grabe, sobrang normal sa kanila. Ayan o, may mga incense. Diba? Good morning talaga. Ayan o, offering. Ang saya kaya ng culture nila. Pero din dun sa harapan ng bahay na yun. Anyway, see you later. Nasa main road na kami. Tignan mo to. Cute oh. Diba? Cute ng mga... Tapos ang daming motor dito guys. Sabi ko nga, Fred, magmotor tayo kami. Ito pala kami ng cafe. Tapos doon kami papasundo namin sa driver namin. So, yeah. Guys, dito kami napunta. Ang ganda oh. Coffee shop to. I mean, hotel siya, tapos may coffee shop. So, magko-coffee shop na lang kami dyan. If ever. Tapos, dito kami magpapasundo sa driver namin. Pero ang ganda, grabe. Look. Ang ganda. Yeah, it's fine. Yep. That's for takeaway. Do you have mocha? Ice mocha?
Ice mocha, we don't have ice mocha.
Just latte?
Yeah. Experience good. I mean,
Kami sa Barong Satik. Gumagawa sila ng... Hindi ko alam eh. Sa loob ata, Fred. So, ito yung ginagawa nilang Barong Satik ata. Parang tela yan. So, papasok tayo para sa finished product. Mag-check tayo. Look at this guy. Ito yung mga finished product. Ang ganda. Sobrang batik niya. So, this is 580. Mahal to. $58. Let's say 60 AUD. Mga 1,000 plus yan. Pero parang gusto ko nung no camera. Bawal mag-camera pero... Ayan, mga batik-batik nila dito. Dito tayo sa Polo Ralph Lauren na outlet. Let's try this out. Nasa loob na kami and nandito yung mga price. Gusto kong bumili ng cup pero kasi hindi ako convinced talaga sa sa presyo at sa tela. Parang hindi ako naniniwala ng totoo sila. Kasi mura naman siya talaga. Pero hindi kasi ako convinced. Alam mo yun, parang bakit ako magsasayang ng pera sa gets mo? Kung di naman legit. Okay sa'yo kung legit. So, nandito kami para sa Barong Dance. Kaya nagbayad kami ng 150,000 para sa Barong Dance. Thank you. All good. Thank you. Barong Dance. Let's watch. Cute nila oh.
wala mo. Sino ba tumutugtog tapos may sasayaw dito?
Ang cute.
Sila tumutugtog tapos may sasayaw.
Oo.
Tiger na lang. Tanong mo lang isang rock na.
Ito yung paggawaan ng silver dito sa bag. So, tingnan natin kung mabibili tayo dito. This is polishing. Ito na yung shop ng silver tsaka gold jewelry here. Let's see kung may mabili tayo. May pa-free water pa dito, girl. Doon tayo sa gold. Ay, isa tayong gold digger. Charot. Yan yung binili kong silver.
Like this with the letters. Is this similar?
Yes, ito yung binili ko. Hindi ko alam kung maganda ba siya, pero I like it. Hindi ko alam ba't ako bumili, pero love it. Thank you so much. So cute. Nabudol siya eh. Oh. Budol kami parehas.
Coffee, tea, and hot chocolate, but we have special coffee from animal we call Luwak coffee. You can see the animal and you can see how we process the coffee as well.
Nice.
This is kind of Arabica because we have two kind of coffee, Arabica and Robusta. But the animal here just eat Arabica because it's most popular coffee. But for the bean, let's say when they call it, we make flavor, yes. But this is still young because vanilla you must grow long time, like 3 years, so they can comes out the pot. Let's say they comes up from here, so it's like this.
Okay, okay.
That's nice. Hello. How are you?
Good.
Yep.
So when they comes up from the animal look like this. Yeah, but this is the real the coffee and then have double layer. But don't worry, we need to clean and then we washing by hot water around 1 hour. Go to the gym. We do every day. Oh really? Yeah. Sure.
That's your gym.
Sure. I think a little bit more. Give me your Yes, good. Lemongrass, herb and butterfly tea. This is the new one, that's cinnamon tea. Yeah.
Oh, this is
Everything is sweet. Bali coffee, Luwak coffee not sweet. We have sugar and cream here.
Okay.
If you don't mind, try first Luwak coffee and compare with the Bali coffee before you put sugar. So you know what's the taste of.
In the culture in Australia, it's their love coffee, like strong. They would go to your coffee. They would go to your shop.
coffee. Right. Let's check. Salamat, kuya! Ito yung mga coffee nila. Actually, masyado siyang mahal. Sa totoo lang. Kaya, hindi pa rin tayo bibili. Kuripo tayo dyan. Hello! Thank you! Nice, thank you. Ginger daw.
Corporate culture? Yeah, we're gonna go with corporate.
I'm gonna try this one.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Sorry. Oh, that's big. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. Nasi goreng. Thank you so much. Puro Australian dito. Ang ganda ng view. Picture tayo ni Fred. That's it. Ganda, no? Nice. This one, right? Like the dance.
It's happy birthday, right?
Oh. Ito yung mga ginagamit para dun sa offering everyday. Any turtle. So, tapos na kami sa bumili ng mga pasalubong. So, magsha-shopping center na kami. Dito kami papadrop off. Ayan na. Ganda, right? May nang scam po sa akin. Yan na yung Christmas gift, ah. Yan, dito kami kakain after mag-shopping mall. Kasi mas bet namin yung turo-turo lang. Kasi authentic, you know. Tsaka mas mura. Feeling ko, mas mura dito. See? Mura. $2 lang. Let's go. Now we're here in Malini. Look at the view. It's so nice, guys. And the weather is giving. Very cloudy today. Good thing hindi umuulan. And they told us na mag-ingat sa monkey. So, ang ganda ng weather kasi sabi sa amin mag-ingat daw kami sa monkey kasi maraming unggoy dito. Ganda, diba? Sobrang bait nila dito. Sabi ko sa inyo, mukha kami Pilipino dito eh. Look at the view, right? Ayan na, the sun is out already. Dito kami magbe-breakfast ngayon. Umorder ako ng isang long black for him and one iced vanilla latte for me and one nasi goreng. That's it. That's fried rice, guys. That's fucking fried rice. Thank you.
Welcome. Ice omelette. Sama-sama. Guys, you guys have to fill your stomachs here. Nasi
Thank
goreng
you.
sometimes.
Thank you. Wow, this is chicken mee goreng and I have one vanilla latte and long black sa kanya kasi busog pa siya. And that's it, guys. So nice. Ooh, swimming, mommy. Shit. Kanya-kanya sila. Kanya-kanya ng motor, oh. Grabe. Feeling ko ang daming unggoy dito. Sabi sa amin ng tour guide, mag-ingat kami kasi may 700 na unggoy dito sa Uluwatu. At isa na tong isang to. Kami sa Uluwatu Temple. Grabe, ang daming unggoy kanina. Bawal kami mag-picture. Pwede naman, pero kasi, magnanakaw sila dito ng mga shit eh. Kaya bawal. Avoid tayo sa ganun. Kasi wala tayong pera pambili ng bagong gamit. Sa Uluwatu Temple pala to ah. And look at that view. Right? Ganda, no? How was it? What are you doing there, man? Talagang kain yan ah. Oh my God! Hello! What are you doing there? Sige nga, yan yung exit mo. Matuwa ka kaya. Yan na. Dami nila guys. Dami pa.
Nakasabit sa kanya.
Cute. Way to Padang Beach. It's a bit scary, bro. What? So this is Padang Beach. Here in Ubud. No. Uluwatu. We're here in Padang Beach in Uluwatu. Ang ganda ng mobile bar. Puro Aussie dito, guys. What? Medyo madumi lang dito, unlike sa Pilipinas. Mas maganda pa rin sa Pinas, no?
Oh, yung dagat.
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 Foot wash station. Oh my God. Time for lunch, guys. So, ito yung recommendation sa amin, kuya. Anyway, siya pala yung driver namin nung first day under Klook. And, hinar na rin namin siya today. Kasi wala kaming gagawin. So, ito yung restaurant. It's so nice, actually. And, yeah. Goreng.
So, napatayin sila yung mga Pilipino dito. No?
Welcome to GWK. Hello. Look at the statue. Isa daw to sa pinakamalalaking statue ngayon sa Asia. Pero malaki talaga siya, guys. Hindi lang halata. Tapos pasok tayo sa loob kasi ang init. Bumili kami dito ng orange juice na nagkakahalaga ng 25,000, which is 2.5. Mahal pa rin to, 80 pesos. It's a ganun. Nice to meet you.
Not from Brazil or Portugal. I am Indonesian. So in Bali we call Canang Sari. So Canang Sari is an offering to God, especially for Hinduism. At Balinese people, they make it.
Ano mo naman. Okay. And the last one. Oh, this is a good one.
Thank
Okay.
you. And the last one.
Pala yung hinihintay ko. Ang ganda niya, oh. So nice. Balik kami dito sa Warong Sika. Ito pala yung store na yun. Hintay ko si Fred eh. Parang nauna pa ako sa kanya. Wala pa naman siyang internet. Nandito ka lang pala. Masarap yung lager.
Yes, right. Oh, it's not lager, it's pale ale.
And so dito kami magdi-dinner. Medyo maganda dito actually. So let's go this side. What's this? Saan ba entrance? I think this one.
And also sharing section. For the stuff for the aperitivo, it's like appetizer or starter. So, and then for the snack, it's like a tapas and parties. And also for the chips, are food and pepperoni food is like spicy, so the fresh. And so for the main course,
Strawberry Fizz and San Miguel Pale Pilsen for Freddy.
San Miguel.
You have... Taray. Yun na lang. Thank you. Let's try this labne. Oh my god, this one looks yummy. Ganda. Grabe. Hot ng bread. Grabe. So, I think this is red tartar ceviche na may quinoa on top. Ang ganda ng ano niya. Ang ganda ng plating. So, oh my god, first time namin mag-fine dining. So, thank you, Lord. Let's try it. So, this one, right? Oh, shit. Ah, nakalatag siya. Oh my god. Oh my god, Fred.
You like it? Great. Can you explain what you experienced?
It's fantastic. Amazing. I swear. Try it, Fred. Try it. Yep. So that's the pork chop?
Yes, separate the calamari sambal.
Yeah.
This one for the set, for the tomato fillet.
Mm-hmm.
Separate the aja amarillo and the dog.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Pork chop, this is come with caramelized apple
Uh-huh.
and gooseberries on it. Yeah? And
Yeah.
wood fried chicken with the mashed potato and chicken.
Yeah, thank you. So that's chicken with mash and jus. This is pork chop. And this is something vegetable. Hindi ko alam po ano to. Pero yun yung mga in-order namin for mains and vegetable. And yeah, let's try it. Hi guys, today is December 17. And check out na namin today. Kasi flight to Manila. After Sydney, Bali, and now Manila. Bye! Grabe, ang ganda ng immigration dito. Itatap lang yung passport and that's it. Tapos departure gates na yan, oh. Ang ganda ng airport nila dito. Tapos baka magla-lounge ako kasi may libre akong lounge. Eh si Fred, i-inquire ko pa para makapag-lounge din. So, ayan yung lounge natin. Let's ask them, okay? Oh, this is the lounge, guys. Ganda. Where to sit? I'll try to sit here. Maybe I'll sit here. Pala yung mga food nila. Croissant, pili croissant. Nice. Yum. Bread area. And hot food is here. Ito yung lunch food ko. So, almond croissant lang, croissant, a little bit of fruits, scrambled egg with sausage, and 1 mocha. That's it. Sarap kumain. Let's try it out. Sarap. How addict are you? Ha? 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 Padaan lang ako dito, guys. Meron silang kiosk dito. And then, yan na. Hinihintay ko si Fred eh. Philippines! May tatalo pa pa sa Pasko. Oh my God, I'm so happy. And, yeah. Ang pera.